Apple has officially rebuilt Siri from the ground up, and this might be the company's biggest AI announcement ever. During WWDC 2026, Apple unveiled Siri AI, a completely redesigned version of Siri powered by Apple Intelligence. But this isn't just a smarter voice assistant. Apple is turning Siri into a true AI companion, designed to understand your apps, your habits, and even what's happening on your screen in real time. For years, Siri struggled to keep up with competitors like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. While other AI systems became more conversational and capable, Siri remained limited to simple tasks like setting alarms, sending texts, or answering basic questions. Apple clearly knew it was falling behind, and Siri AI is its answer to that problem. The biggest upgrade is something called personal context awareness. Siri can now understand information across your Apple ecosystem and use it to help you in much smarter ways. For example, you can ask Siri things like, "What restaurant did John recommend to me last month?" And it can search through messages, mail, notes, and other apps to find the answer. You can also ask things like, "When is my mom's flight landing?" And Siri can pull information from emails or calendar events automatically. Another major feature is on-screen awareness. Siri can now understand what you're currently looking at on your device. So if someone texts you an address, you can simply say, "Add this to their contact," and Siri knows exactly what you're referring to without needing extra explanation. Apple also showed Siri completing actions across multiple apps at once. Users can ask Siri to edit a photo, attach it to an email, and send it, all through one command. That's a major shift because Siri is no longer just responding to requests, it's actively performing tasks for users. Naturally, one of the biggest questions is privacy. Apple says much of Siri AI runs directly on device through Apple Intelligence, while more advanced tasks use a secure cloud system called private cloud compute. According to Apple, this allows Siri to access personal information while still protecting user data. Another big question is whether Siri AI is basically Apple's version of ChatGPT. In some ways, yes, Siri can now hold more natural conversations and answer broader questions, but Apple's focus is less on being a chatbot and more on creating a deeply personal assistant connected to your digital life. Apple is also bringing AI features across its ecosystem, including photos, mail, Safari, messages, and notes, showing that artificial intelligence is becoming central to the future of Apple products. Siri AI launches in beta later this year for supported devices, but this announcement signals something much bigger. Apple is no longer treating AI like a side feature. The company is placing artificial intelligence at the center of the iPhone experience, and that could completely change how millions of people interact with their devices moving forward.